Wow, it is so beautiful out here. It's a nice day for a hike. I'm feeling really inspired to work on our songs. I'm thinking about doing Walk Like a Christian.
Ooh, that's pretty cool. I've been thinking about doing Shaboom. Our God is supreme. He's made a home for us in paradise up above.
Ooh, I really like that. Mia, do you have a go-to song?
I think my favorite one is En ti seguro visto enemigo.
Ooh, now that would be cool.
Yeah, wow. Well, it's, too bad that you have to go out on your assignment tomorrow.
Don't worry, I promise to keep you in touch this time.
Okay, bye. Oh.
So, have you guys seen Scooter this morning?
I don't think so. Why?
Why? Does he have more training for us?
I guess you could call it endurance training.
Endurance? What, like resisting interrogation?
Oh, that sounds really rough. I hope that I can be as faithful as Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego.
Who are Knapsack and Vincent Van Gogh?
Oh. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego were these 3 captives in Babylon.
Right. Oh, and then King Nebuchadnezzar made a law that everybody had to bow down and worship an idol, and if they didn't, they got thrown into a fiery furnace.
So did Caddyshack and Indigo follow the law?
But no, they didn't. And King Nebuchadnezzar was so upset, he set the furnace to maximum temperature.
But then God saved them. And when they came out of the fiery furnace, they didn't even smell like smoke.
Wow, that's awesome.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh,
All right, cadets. Scooter has something new for you.
here.
I remember in Babylon, where the king he made an awful law. When the band played a special song, everybody had to bow to a foreign god. Anybody didn't like that rule, well, they were suffering from a deaf soul crew. Sometimes when the music plays, or have you thrown into a fiery blaze, well, Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego, they didn't bow when the song got played. No matter how hot the furnace got, they believed that they would be saved. Nebuchadnezzar, fit to be tight, he turned the furnace way up high. But then the 3 of them just walked on out all right. La! Then it goes on from there. What do you think?
How does that help us resist interrogation?
Interrogation? What?
Well, Sam said that we were going to do endurance training, like how to resist the enemies no matter what.
I told Sam I was going to try out a new song.
And you're telling me that wasn't torture?
Well, it was a valiant effort, Scooter, but maybe you should save that one for an emergency.
I agree, sir. Scooter's falsetto would make a great fire alarm.
Okay, that's it.
Yikes!
Oh, dear. That's Sam.